Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can post multiple photos with music in Facebook story. So here I've already opened my Facebook account, and if you want to create a story, you can just start by clicking on the create story options in here, and then to upload multiple photos, you can first click on the select multiple options at the top in here, and then select your photos. Okay, I'm going to add 3 or more photos. Okay, I'm going to add 4 photos, and after that just click on next. And here you can choose whether you want to post as separate stories or as a photo collage. I'm going to just select the photo collage, and it will be arranged like this, but you can always change the style by clicking on this. You can change the background, for example, like this. Okay, you can choose the background, and after that you can also arrange the photos by dragging it like this. Okay, and to add the music, just click on the music icon on the right panel in here. Just click on that, oops, and then select the music that you want. Okay, for example, I want to add this music right here. Just click on the music, and to change the appearance of the music, you can click on the music, and here there will be a few options that you can choose. I'm going to select this one, and you can also choose which part of the music that you want to shown in the stories, and after that you can click on done, and you can also rearrange the positions of the music like this, and after that just click on share, oops, to upload the stories. Okay, so now you are done posting multiple photos with music in Facebook stories. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.